I chose computer networks and cybersecurity because I always had an interest in computers and technology, and when I was applying through the CAO and doing my research on colleges and courses, cybersecurity just stuck out to me a bit more. I'm really interested in like problem solving and a bit more challenging side of things, so I just felt like cybersecurity was the best option for me to go down that route. I really enjoy the networking. I'm physically cabling devices, getting hands-on experience, which I think is really important for the course. We have access to like all the computers, the routers, the switches, every cable that you may need. So it is a really good opportunity to get the hands-on experience and be able to physically do it. You could be in the lab 2-3 hours straight because they want you to have maximum time to be able to like work on things physically. Most of the modules are 50% classroom-based exams, so you'll just be doing like a quiz, and then the rest would be like a final exam at the end of the year, so the pressure is kind of taken off then. I'd say there's a good balance just throughout the week, like just say on a Monday you might have all day lectures, but on a Tuesday you could be spending basically half the day in the lab, so it's a great opportunity to get hands-on experience with physical equipment. My favourite spot on campus is probably the library. It's so big and spacious and I actually get my work done as well, I don't get distracted, but it's just such a nice place to like be in. I think my experience in college has definitely made me kind of chase more opportunities because I want to get more experience and I want to be more confident in what I'm doing. Tomorrow I'm going to Croke Park in Dublin. It's for a CTF, so Capture the Flag 0 Days event. So I did it last year and we were actually the first team from ATU Sligo to go. And now tomorrow we have 4 teams going. So there's going to be 130 teams there tomorrow and we'll be making up 4 of them, which is really exciting.